Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So again, I came with some of the important and wonderful opportunity. Before that, let me give you update related to Infosys. So some candidates of 2025 pass out batch only, they got the mail for the second round. Okay, so those who are commenting on my YouTube channel that dedicated videos, I will make a dedicated video related to that. But for currently, only 2025 pass out batch got the mail, and 2026 8 there is no any update. So whenever any update came, I will provide. So coming to opportunities, so first importantly that is from the aeronauts. They are hiring for the role of intern software development backend role, and this is a backend profile, and this is a good profile, especially if you have a knowledge in Python, a Django framework, and this is a wonderful profile. So you can go through the complete link in the description. So what is the requirement for this? Strong understanding of Python, REST API, and Django and fast API knowledge, and good to have a knowledge of microservices and architecture. So if you are interested, you can apply. Strong chance of getting converted to PPO, that is pre-placement offer. So if you want, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, and this is also a good profile. They are hiring for the role of engineer intern, class of 2026 pass out batch, and job posted 18th of May, and still they are accepting the applications. So currently pursuing bachelor's or master degree in computer science with the year of graduation 2026, and CGPA must be 8.0 and above. Means below that you will not allow and don't apply for that, and make sure to update your resume according to the job descriptions. So you should have exposure and hands-on experience with AIML and AL tools, and have cross-platform software development experience. So if you want, you can apply for this role. This is a good company. Okay, so just check out the link in the descriptions and you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, and this is from the Qualcomm. They are hiring for the role of engineer associate, and for this the job location is Hyderabad, Telangana, and this is also a good profile, especially 2024 2025. Means they only can apply because they are requiring at least 1 year of experience with programming language such as C++, Java, Python, or database management system, or experience with API. So if you want, you can apply. Means if you also done internship, then you can mention there, but especially you should have some experience. Okay, moving to next, that is from the KZP Talkie. They are hiring for the role of data scientist, analytics, and GenAI. Freshers are eligible for this, and this is also a good profile. So responsibility: pull and clean data from YouTube Analytics, Udemy, or our website, and learner questions into workable data. Means you have to simply convert that, and freshers are especially should have a knowledge of Panda, NumPy, and classical ML and scikit-learn with ability to frame a problem, train, and basically means this is completely based on AIML tech stack. So if you are interested and have some exposure, then you can apply for this. No prior experience required, so freshers can apply. Moving to next, they are hiring for the role of DevOps engineer freshers, and company name is Magneq. Client requirement 2024 2025 2026, all can apply for this role. They have provided the contact number and job location. So if you are residing near the Hyderabad, then you can apply. Friends, we regularly post many job updates, especially if you haven't applied for Indian Army SSC Tech, then you can apply for this role. This is a good profile. Okay, so moving to next, they are hiring for the role of V&V engineer, freshers until 2 years of experience can apply. So if you are interested in hardware and embedded system testing, then you can basically share your resume to this mail ID. Remember friends, again saying keep applying. Okay, I know there is a little bit hard, especially by 2026 pass out, but still I will suggest keep applying. You will get the job. Okay, and this is the mail ID you have to basically mention. Moving to next, that is from the CAshkaro. They are hiring for the role of Monstack developments, and you can apply by 14th of August. So stipend you can expect till 20 to 25,000, and so far 136 applicants have been applied. So for this you should have knowledge of Mon, that is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js, and you should include some good project. Then only there is a chance of getting the reward from this company. Moving to next, that is from the Impact Analytics. This is especially for 2025 or 2024 who have some experience in Python, then you can apply for this role. Moving to next important opportunity, this is from the HyperVerge. So freshers can apply for this profile. Okay, so this is testing profiles. If you want, you can apply for this. Okay, moving to next, that is from the PwC. They are hiring for the role of DevOps engineer, intern specialist, and for this also there are some experience required. So if you want, you can apply. If you have some previous exposure to CI/CD pipelines and other, then you can apply, and you should be having bachelor degree. Moving to last important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of associate product and platform support, and for this the job location is Chennai. This is a full-time role. So what are the requirement? You should have basic IT knowledge, understanding of IT concept, system technology, hardware installations, and other things are there. So freshers are level. So I will request everyone to apply for this role, and milte हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.